Hi! In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app and select Alarm section at the top on the left. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings in the pop-up. Now you can scroll down just a bit and manage all of those options under Alarms, like snooze. When you finished, go back and click on this icon with a plus at the bottom to create new alarm. Firstly, set up an hour and save it by hitting OK in Select Time pop-up. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then select days of the week by clicking on all of the needed ones. And in order to exclude some dates, tap on this plus next to Pause Alarm. Then pick a date and save it by hitting OK. You can always delete it by clicking on this Remove button next to it. Following that, by tapping on those two little icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine, you can enable or disable those options. Then finally, tap on Little Bell. You can download one of those sound sources like Spotify Music, or select Dismiss in the pop-up. Now you can tap on one of those sources to set up the best one for you, like Spotify or YouTube Music. Just log into one of those accounts and use music from it. If you wish to, you can always tap on Sounds on the left and just tap on Add New under your sounds to select any song from your device and set it up. If you don't want to do any of that, click on Sounds as well, but this time pick on one of the available ones and go back. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. If you want to hide all of its settings, click on the top right corner of it. To switch it off completely, use this blue switcher. And to turn it back on, click on the same, now grey one. Lastly, if you wish to delete your alarm completely, click on the top right corner of it and tap on this pin at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!